What's up, everyone? Got my hands on some new RAM, and I'm excited to tell you about it. Specifically, it's this Adamanta 16GB DDR5-4800 SODIMM, and it's designed for the Acer Nitro V15A and V15-51-59MT. Now, if you're like me, you're always looking for ways to boost your laptop's performance, especially for gaming or heavy multitasking. And let's be honest, sometimes the RAM that comes pre-installed just doesn't cut it. So, this Adamanta RAM is a pretty sweet upgrade option. 16 gigabytes is a solid amount of memory. It'll definitely give your Nitro 5 a noticeable performance boost. You'll see smoother gameplay, faster loading times, and less stuttering when you've got a bunch of applications open. We're talking DDR5 here, which is the latest generation, meaning it's faster and more efficient than older DDR4 RAM. The 4800 MHz speed is also excellent, ensuring your system can keep up with demanding tasks. One thing that caught my eye is that Adamanta mentions each module is individually tested. That's a big deal because it gives you peace of mind knowing you're getting a reliable product. Nobody wants to deal with faulty RAM, right? Plus, they offer a limited lifetime warranty, which is always a good sign. It shows they stand behind their product. They also mentioned having hundreds in stock, so you shouldn't have to worry about availability. Now, compatibility is key. This RAM is specifically listed as compatible with the Acer Nitro V15A and V15-51-59MT. But even if you have a slightly different Nitro 5 model, it's always a good idea to double-check your laptop specs before buying any RAM. You want to make sure it's the right type and speed. A quick search online or a look at your laptop's manual should give you the info you need. The installation process is usually pretty straightforward with laptops. There are tons of tutorials online if you're not sure how to do it. Just a few screws, pop in the new RAM, and you're good to go. It's a quick and easy way to breathe new life into your laptop. So if your Acer Nitro 5 is feeling a little sluggish, this Adamanta 16GB DDR5 RAM might be just what you need. It's a solid upgrade that's not going to break the bank. Definitely worth considering if you're looking to boost your laptop's performance. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll do my best to answer them. And as always, thanks for watching.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.